In today's video I will show you the complete setup process for the MatchX M2 Pro miner. Alright, let's go straight into the video. Here is the M2 Pro miner unopened box. First of all, you want to check that you have got all the components. The plastic pocket containing 2 manuals, one black and one white. The miner, 3 antennas, a power unit with its power cable, and 2 Ethernet cords, one long and one short. Now, first step is to take out the black manual. On the back of the manual there is a QR code, which, when you scan it with your mobile device, will take you to the Data Dash app, where you will perform all the mining. So take out your phone and scan it and download the Data Dash app. When the app is installed, push sign up to create a new account, then push the plus sign to first choose your supernode area. I live in Europe, so I choose Europe. Then type in the email address you want to use and you will get a confirmation email sent to that address, which you need to open and verify. Once that is done, you can continue to the next step and set up the miner. First, you need a screwdriver to remove the 2 screws from the M2 miner. Once removed, you want to push the lid downwards to open. Inside, you will now see a QR code and input for the Ethernet cable. Now, take your mobile device again, go into the Data Dash app and click on Add Miner. Then push the plus sign saying scan the QR code and scan the QR code on your miner, and it should say congratulations. Great, you have now connected your miner to your Data Dash account. Next, let's put together all the hardware. Start by putting on the 3 antennas. Each antenna have a letter G, L, L. The miner have slots with the same corresponding letters, so you know where to put the antennas. So G antenna goes on the G spot and L antennas go on either of the L spots. There should now be 1 empty slot remaining. Great. Next step. I take the long Ethernet cable and put it into the miner. The other end of the long Ethernet cable goes into the power unit in the slot PoE. Next, I take the short Ethernet cable, put it into the remaining slot in the power unit called LAN. The other end should connect to your router. Don't forget that your power unit also needs to be powered with the power cable. Great, everything is in place. Let's bring everything over to the router. Okay, I have not changed anything, and I will now take the only loose end of the short Ethernet cable and connect it to the router. And then power on the power unit. Here, as you can see, I put my miner in the window. Now you should bring the white manual. In this manual it shows a list of different colors your miner will show during the boot up process. The boot up process starts with the blue light. The process takes about 10 minutes, so be patient. You can check the light underneath the miner. As you can see here, my miner is already showing a yellow light. Now just wait a few more minutes to let your miner boot up. Now, as you can see, it's blinking green and yellow. Okay, let's wait a few more minutes. And now it's green. Awesome. This indicates your miner is online and mining. You can go into your app to verify this. Go to Miner, and here is your miner. Often it does say offline, but if you refresh your app, it should say online. As long as your miner have a green light, your miner is online and mining. Now you'll just wait and let it mine. Soon I'm going to post updates on my earnings per miner, and if you want to see that, follow me and press the notification bell. And if this video helped you in any way, please help me with clicking the thumbs up button. Alright, thank you, goodbye.